Father Bernard. Oh, Father Bernard. Ah, Father Bernard. Hey, Father Bernard. He hold him, Bobby. Wait, touching Yash. He hold him, Bobby. Oh. Wait, knock. Hey, Father Bernard. Oh, Father Bernard. Ah, Father Bernard. Hey, Father Bernard.
Rest in peace, Father Bernard.
No. No. Oh no. Oh no.
You joking?
Jesus, man, bring one blue.
Hey! Mama!
Jesus! Mommy, oh, my body they shake. Come on, body they shake.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Years old man.
Criminal offensive. Do you understand?
No.
Stay up. What?
They have given us homework.
You are home. Why don't you just enter inside and do it?
I said our parents to help us and they give us answers.
Then you go back inside and wait for your father to come back home.
But he's late.
Hey, are you a timekeeper? What kind of... So your father is late. So now you've become a timekeeper, eh? You're the one who keeps time, you're the one who knows what time someone is supposed to come back home, what time someone is not supposed to come back home. If they gave you homework, did they give you answers?
No.
So where do they expect you to get answers? How did you tell them that your mother is cancer and they expected you to come home and still get answers? Let me see. So what is the past? You get me my phone. Because the way how you challenge me in front of my own child when I've paid my school fees, to embarrass me in front of my child so that I look extremely ignorant. Hey. And I just get embarrassed just like that. Remind me again, what's your teacher's name?
Teacher Jane.
Teacher Jane. Yes. Yes, hello, Madam Jane. It is Kansime Ann. Yes, Immaculate mother. Yes. Yes. So you gave her homework to do from home, but you forgot. Yes, you forgot to give her answers. You forgot that. Oh, I'm supposed to come up with the answers. So where is the money? The money, because I paid school fees in full. I don't see how I get to pay school fees in full and you threaten to chase my child. Then only for you to send some of the work when you are lazy and you're seated on your lazy behind, and you send my child home with work for me to do your work. Do you know what class I stopped in? Do you know the potential of my brain? So you are ready to help me embarrass myself in front of my own child just because you do not want to do your own work. My darling, if I wanted to do part of the work, I would have paid part of the school fees. The next time, you go inside and pick for me something. The next time you want to embarrass us, don't choose to do it in front of our children. What is past po? What is past po? I don't know. So if you want to embarrass me and send her to do homework, at least be kind enough to send me a message with the answer so that I also look proper in front of my own child. Right now she thinks I'm very stupid. I am actually stupid. Madam Jane, you realize I know where you stay. Madam Jane, give me a minute. Immaculate! Yes, give me a minute. Bring my shoes, bring me my shoes. This woman thinks I'm joking. She has not seen me properly. She has not seen me look important in other categories. Hurry up, give me my shoes. Give me my shoes, eh? Remove the rest, eh? You can remove the rags. I'm going to come back.